Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enter a supplier credit note in Xero. This is essential when a supplier refunds you or corrects an invoice, as it keeps your accounts accurate and up to date. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is where you'll access your Xero account. Once the page loads, look for the login button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and fill those in to access your Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your business finances. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top side menu, click on Purchases, and from the drop-down that appears, select Bills. This section is where you manage all your supplier invoices and credit notes. It's important to work from here because it keeps everything organized under your accounts payable. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Bill with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that arrow, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select New Credit Note. This is the specific function you need to record the credit your supplier has issued. You'll now see a credit note form appear on your screen. The first thing you need to do is select the supplier from the contact list. If this is a new supplier who isn't already in your system, you can create a new supplier contact right here. This ensures the credit note is properly linked to the correct supplier account. After selecting the supplier, move to the Date field. Enter the credit note date that the supplier provided on their document. Using the correct date is crucial for accurate financial reporting and reconciliation. If your supplier included a reference number on their credit note, enter it in the reference field. This might be a credit note number or another identifier. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended as it makes tracking and matching documents much easier down the line. Now comes the detailed part. You'll need to add line items for each entry on the credit note. For each line, fill in the description of what's being credited. Then select the appropriate item code or account. This should match the expense or liability account that was originally used. Next, choose the correct tax rate if applicable. And finally, enter the credit amount that the supplier is refunding or crediting to you. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. Once all line items are entered, review the totals carefully. Check that the line amounts add up correctly to the total credit amount. Also verify that any VAT or tax calculations are accurate. This double check prevents errors that could throw off your accounts. Finally, when everything looks correct, click the button labeled Approve. This finalizes the credit note in Xero and updates your accounts payable balance accordingly. The credit will now be available to apply against future bills from this supplier or can be refunded depending on your arrangement. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a supplier credit note in Xero and your accounts are now accurate and reconciled. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.